Dear student, today I am going to teach third chapter, that is matrix and determinant. First, we have to know about the matrix. What is matrix? It is simply arrangement of numbers or functions which are arranged in rows and column wise. Means elements are written in rows and column wise. Here in this example, elements A11, A12 and so on A1M, second row A21, A22 and last is A2M, and the third row A31, A33 so on, and the last row is AN1, AN2 and so on AMN. Means order of this matrix is m into n, means there are m rows and n columns written as ex m into n. In general, x is equal to aij, where I1 to m and j1 to n, means order is m into n. I and j both belong to natural number. Ith row consists of the elements as ai1, ai2 and ain, while jth column consists of element a1j, 2j and so on m. From example, suppose we have to construct a matrix of 3 into 2 order and elements aij defined as by this relation 1 by 2 mod of I minus 3j. To find the elements, you can consider here X is any matrix of 3 into 2 order whose elements are A11, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2. Order is 3 into 3. So find the value of you can determine the value of these elements from this relation Aij is something. So first element A11, putting I1 and J1 and simplify, solving it, you will get 1. A12, putting in IJ1 and 2, when you put, you will get 5 by 2. Similarly, A21 and the remaining A22, A31, 32. These are the values, means X matrix is whose values are A11, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2 are written here in 3 rows and 2 columns. So matrix simply it is the arrangement of the elements, numbers or functions in rows and columns. It is a rectangular array, you can say. Now we have to know about the types of matrices. Matrices is a pure form of matrix. First type is column matrix. Column matrix, a matrix which has single column. From this A is equal to in column 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 rows and 1 column. Order is 4 into 1. In general, you can write here A is equal to Aij m into 1. And second is row matrix, a matrix which has single row. Order is 1 into 4. Or in general, you can write here B is equal to Ij 1 into n, means row is 1, column maybe 2, 3, 4 maybe. Next, square matrix. A matrix whose number of rows is equal to number of columns is called square matrix. Written here, X is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, 3 into 3 order matrix. So rows is equal to columns. In general, X is any matrix element represented by Ij. Number of row is equal to number of columns. Now, diagonal matrix. A diagonal matrix, there are 2 types of diagonals. From this you can clearly you can understand. A1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. This is the 3 into 3 order matrix. Number of rows is equal to number of columns. Here, diagonal element A1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. This is the main diagonal or principal diagonals. And secondary diagonal is here A3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3. Means first diagonal start from left top corner to right, leading to right bottom corner, and this is the secondary diagonal from right top corner to left bottom corner. So if all elements are 0 except principal diagonal, here written here B is matrix A11 2 2 3 3, this is the element of principal diagonal, except the all elements are 0, so it is diagonal matrix. So certainly you can say that the diagonal matrix is a square matrix whose all elements are 0 except principal diagonal elements. Okay. Now scalar matrix. Scalar matrix is also diagonal matrix, but in scalar diagonal elements, all elements are 0 except principal diagonal. Except principal diagonal, but principal diagonal elements are equal here. So equal you can write here A as A. Principal diagonal elements are equal and remaining elements are 0. So identity matrix. Identity is a scalar matrix, but in this identity matrix, principal diagonal elements are equal to 1. So difference between scalar and identity: in a scalar, principal diagonal elements are equal, remaining elements are 0, and identity matrix, principal diagonal elements are equal to 1. Now 0 matrix, a matrix whose all elements are 0 is called 0 matrix or null matrix. Next is trembler matrix. There are two types of trembler: lower trembler and upper trembler. What is the lower trembler? In lower trembler, all elements are 0. It is a square matrix whose all elements are 0 above the principal diagonal. From this example, here above the principal diagonal elements, 0 elements, and below the principal diagonal leading diagonal elements are not 0. Now upper trembler, in upper trembler, all elements are 0 below the principal diagonal elements. This is the upper trembler and lower trembler. So you will remember here, in lower trembler, elements above the principal diagonal are 0, upper trembler elements below the principal diagonal elements. Now, next we will know about the equality of two matrices. So, two matrices A and B are said to be equal if their order is same and corresponding elements are equal. Equality of two matrices. Let A matrix is whose order is m into n, or it is A, B, C, D. So m into n is 2 into 2. B matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also 2 into, their order is same. And if A is equal to B, then corresponding elements of A should be equal to the element of B. Means A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3, D is equal to 4. Equality means their corresponding elements should be same and they have same order.